What's up, guys? Coming back at you with an update on the Denali build. I'm actually headed to the machine shop to pick the block up for the second time. When I get back, I'll give you an explanation on what happened and where we're at and where we're going from here. Alright, guys, back from the machine shop. Got the block back. So I'm going to show you what happened and the reason it had to go back. So, as you can see, that little guy right there caused a lot of carnage because it squeezed out from the ring squeezer. It went down in the cylinder fine. And as you can see, that's a new liner, and it's been honed or bored and honed to match the rest of these. But I had to get a new sleeve installed because when the ring squeezed out, it went down in the cylinder fine, but when got to seating it on the crank, the rod bearing had spun a little bit. So I was going to tap it back up, put the rod bearing back where it goes, and as I went to tap it, it wouldn't move up, and I knew then it was hung. So be mindful when you're using these. Make sure they're seated good, because that one must have come back up from tapping it, trying to tap the piston down in the cylinder bore, and those little 3 millimeter oil rings are real easy for them to squeeze out between it and the block, and you never know it. Because like I said, it went down in the cylinder just fine, but when I tried to tap it back up a little bit to reseat the rod bearing, it wouldn't move. So that's why I had to go back to the machine shop. I had to have it re-sleeved, rebored, and I'm waiting on the ring pack to come in for that piston. Once we get it, we can start stuffing the pistons back in here. Everything else is ready to go. Other than that, I'm just going to have to wash it up again, clean the cylinder walls real good again, and then I'm going to have to touch up the paint because the other side of the block, something's missing where they had to wash it and stuff, and it got, washed off from the hot water or whatever, the cleaners and stuff, I guess. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. Going to jump on it first thing in the morning and go from there, and hopefully we have it back in there and running by the weekend. So stay tuned.